guys, in this video you will learn how to do marketing like perfectly by using traffic exchange site, and you can get your traffic very easily. If you use AdSense, if you use Adsterra, whatever traffic source you use, you can use this method. So for this you need this image and you need some content. I will share you the content with you. So just follow my instruction uh, slowly. See, uh, first I need to make a post, and the post is very important. If you don't know how to make a post which is readable, like every post is readable, but sometimes you don't get actually engagement. But I use a dark psychology using ChatGPT, which by which method you can easily get readable content. Like people must read your content. That's it. And uh, I am sharing this method actually, and then you have to add an image here. So always you can add image by URL. I will give you the image URL also. Just copy this image URL and paste it in here. That's it. So after that, when you complete your post, you are ready to marketing. So see, okay. Now you have to do AI content automation agency. This copy and paste it in here and publish and confirm. And after that, you just click on view and okay. So your post will be ready like that, and the post is completely another level post. So then comes to tiny URL. In here you just paste your blog link in here. Don't use any blog link directly in any traffic exchange. So I say this my always my, you know what, uh, this is my actually always don't use direct link. Okay, use tiny URL or any other traffic shop URL shortener link, and after that your website will will work perfectly. And now as you can see that my website is now perfectly working. If you want to see this, just see tiny URL, paste your link, copy the tiny URL link in here and just paste it in here, and then confirm my site. Okay, now as you can see that your website will look like this. And just to ensure what actually happened, if you use direct link in here, your traffic record in your ad agency will be tracked. Like if you use your direct link in here, I mean your blog link directly in here, it will not work. So for that, for safety maintain, don't use this, just paste your tiny and add this, and that's actually the safe method for working. Now another things you have to do is auto assign, which is very important. So just click on auto assign in here. No, in the ad section, in auto assign section. So you must set up this before you go to marketing. Otherwise, you will not get traffic in your site. Sometimes net might be slow. Okay, I have to just wait some time. So as you can see, it's actually not loading. Just refresh it. I hope this will work perfectly. Okay. Now click on auto assign. Click on auto assign and use this method. Don't forget this. So click just you can type in here is like simple, and update it. Okay, after that now your everything is complete. Now you just start surfing and see how every click from here will directly hit your blog, and the image, the content is perfectly clickable. So as you can see, this image will show in here. And actually this is proven method. I already get gotten so many traffic site, and this is my also traffic exchange list which I use every time to get traffic. I already shared this traffic site with you several times in my so many previous video. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this helpful, don't forget to comment and please subscribe.